So I'm thinking today I'm going to change this Hydrovac on this N series. Thinking the diaphragm or something's bad in there. Maybe the slave cylinder's seized up, or I don't know. But I can't get any pedal out of it. The brakes work barely. They barely work. And I bled all 4 corners, and I don't know. I don't want to take the wheels off, mess with the wheel cylinders until I get, enough pressure to them to see if they're leaking, blown out. And I don't know. I don't even know if it's the right way to do it, but that's what I'm going to go with. Get her cranked up. Fires right up really good. Thing I gotta do here is pull this hose off. Look at there. I always use that. This hose is supposed to be clean. It's definitely a new hose. But this thing, get it off here. I'm going to take that apart, make sure it's clean in there, because it needs to have perfectly clean air. Take off these hydraulic lines. And the fluid's already coming out. I don't have any plugs, so I'll probably lose all my fluid in there. Yep, she's dripping. It's clean though, which is good. Man, I'm gonna look and see if I have some plugs. Whatever, I'll just take it off. Well, I'll just let the fluid run out. That way I know it's clean. Put fresh stuff in it. So these things want to have fresh fluid coming to them. I'm gonna get a bucket or something. Looks pretty clean. Probably can't see it there, but It's pretty clean looking. Those run down to the bucket. Now I'm going to take off this vacuum hose here. These screws are a little rusty. Hopefully they don't break, but I got some hose clamps just in case. Fluid's still clean, so that's good. Very nice. Oh yeah. She's coming loose. Oh yeah. That is a stiff old hose right there. Oh. You beesh. Get off. Okay, there we go. Now that's off. I'm gonna take off these 3 bolts there. Yay, okay. I'll clean up these bolts. They're a little rusty. The old wire wheel. Alright, see if I can put this sucker on here. This is gonna be fun. By myself. Oh, shit. Crap. Where is it? There it is. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thread, sir. Please thread. Yay, got it. Booyah. I'm gonna leave that halfway loose, just get everything else on there. I'm gonna replace this hose. It's really stiff and old. I gotta make it a little longer because this fitting's not the same the way it was before. So I got some old heater hose, that'll work. Got this heater hose on here, same diameter, it'll work. New hose clamps, nice and tight. So I'm just gonna boom, boom, click these on here, put the air draw tube or whatever on there, and then maybe gravity bleed it, just undo that, put some fluid in there, maybe wait till it starts coming out of there, close it back up, and then start bleeding the brakes, and then just see what happens. Tighten this sucker down. Yes. What? Let's get the crank down here. Boom. Torque wrench, please. All right, just get tight. Okay, that's good. I'll try to bleed this slave zone by myself. Damn it. Okay, that's not gonna work. So got the Hydrovac put on there, put a bunch of fluid in it, bled the crap out of it, and at first it was nothing. I kept pushing the pedal, and I don't really know how the Hydrovacs work, if it's like a normal brake booster or a normal truck, but she started going and we got pedal now. So we're gonna run her to the gas station and get some fuel and see how it does. Come on, baby. That pattern's not right.
Maybe she'll smooth out the more you drive it. That's true. It's not that bad. Not bad, is it? Hey, speed up works. We're on 45. Smells up. like a belt.
It does. But we were driving it.
Yep.
First time on the road, probably 20, 25 years.
Hope that kingpin doesn't give out. That would suck.
What?
I said I hope that kingpin doesn't give out. That would suck.
That would suck. Oh my god. So the brakes are good. The rear. Made it. How long does it take? I think it's a 40-gallon tank, I think.
Big money.
I need to put 93 in it, but not much. Well, we got back from the gas station, and it seems like the faster you go, the better it drives and rides, which is probably not advisable, but we went for it anyways. And she's a driver. I think the tires are just got a bunch of flat spots, so it's super shaky. So I'm gonna get 2 new fronts on it, steer tires, and then I think the right drinker side kingpin is bad. It seemed like it was pretty bad, so, and adjust the brake pads in the front because the rears hit harder than the front.